doorbell.
No, wait, come back. I hate my doorbell. Sorry, guys. Had a bit. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was trying to get here on time and I was running late. Anyway, one. Shut up. I'm paying you. Has this ever happened to you? You lost a friend because you got a boring doorbell? Please. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't introduce myself. Hello, I'm Tina Shanus. Do you enjoy a fly, fancy lifestyle? Then why is your doorbell so vanilla? Come on down to Doorbells and more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here is what a regular doorbell looks like. No, I'm tired of that. You need a custom-made doorbell built especially for you, like these. Ding dong, hello, you got a new doorbell. Yes, that is my voice. Why should it not be? This was my idea. Here at Doorbells and More, we got every kind of doorbells. Happy doorbells, ding dong, come inside my house. Hello, funny doorbells. Knock knock, who's there? Doorbell, ding dong. International doorbells. Bonjour, ooh la la, ding dong. I can even do fancy doorbells. Hello, wine and cheese, ding dong. Or doorbells for special occasions. Ding dong, I'm getting married today. Hello. Are you an individual? Guess what? We've got a doorbell for you. Every kind of person. Just come up and ask me.
I like cars. Do you have a doorbell for me?
Oh, I have the perfect one for you. Honk honk, your doorbell, ding dong, car.
I like computers.
Oh, you do? So you're a computer nerd. Okay, I have one for you. Ding dong, router, Netflix, what?
What about for me? I like animals.
Oh, okay. I have one for you too. Ding dong, wolf, bears. And hello, it's Christmas. Why not try a holiday doorbell? Jingle bell, answer your door. Are you religious? Ding dong, happy birthday, Jesus. Or if you're Jewish, ding dong, Hanukkah house. And what about when it's time for your holiday visitors to leave? Goodbye, I need to read my magazines. Not unique enough? Be quiet. Let's listen to a testimonial from some person.
Tina made these doorbells.
That's all you gotta say? I babysat you for 10 years, and that's all? Oh my God. So come on down to Doorbells and More, where you can get the fantasy doorbell of your dreams. Ding dong, bing boom, okay, hey, what? That's a good one. Bye-bye.